Hello, I am Venugopal. Venugopal of NTTF. Primarily thought of interacting with all of you during this lockdown period. In fact, we were expecting all the trainees and staff in NTTF campus during this week. It has been extended. Now there is some more time. We'll have to wait for it. So during this time, we thought of thanking all of you for the silence you are keeping, the discipline you are keeping, and also maintaining the decorum suggested by the Government of India. Primarily, we want to thank each and every family members of our staff and trainees who are observing and remaining at home during this lockdown period. We know one thing, lockdown period is teaching us a lot of lessons. In the sense how to live inside the family with all the discipline together and also maintain a discipline suggested and recommended by the government. Also, it's a thrilling, or I would say a challenging time for us to live with limited facilities at home and also a chance to eradicate our bad habit, if at all existing, which is injurious to self and the family members. We take this one as a chance to thank the friends, relatives and cousins of your family who are engaged in this corona eradication scheme, either in a hospital or a police force or a social organization, bank or wherever it is. Kindly convey our thanks and regards to every family member. We need not necessarily thank, because thanks to all the doctors and other things are going on in a big way throughout the country. One thing we want to suggest to you, that this coronavirus is like a seed. We educated it, we are getting educated, and this seed can grow, mushroom fast in a fertile land, because it is like a seed. This seed can fall on your body also, and your body can be the fertile land. The way it grows, you don't have any control. So as suggested by the government, don't allow this horrible seed, virus, to fall on your body, either in your nose, ear or wherever it is. So government norms and restrictions are very important. Observe it. No excuses. Secondly, we want to also remind you that this is a season for all of you, all the staff and trainees, to improve your social skills. What is social skills? For us in NTTF, it is the HRP principle basically. We taught you on HRP, Human Relation Principle. Card number 1, how to come together. Card number 2, how to live together. Card number 3, how to work together. You are getting golden chance to practice it at home. At home, you can give your services in the kitchen, in the cleaning and 5S maintenance in the house, and also help to the elderly people, friends and relatives as and when remanded. Create sensible, nice stories in your life. This is the time and this is the chance for you. And create happiness in those who are living along with you in the house. I also advise, ensure that you should be loved and your action should create thrills in those who love you. Sharing, even let it be a TV for your own use or a family use or a common use. You know how to adjust to the situation, and so learn this skill. I need not teach you much on how you'll have to behave in the country during this time, but then parallelly I am suggesting you, come on, spend some time on your study also. We have got online classes going on. We are also improving the quality of our teachers through a lot of online programs. And when you come back, you'll be having a new atmosphere. And TTF welcome you. Come back. We are creating a sanitized, clean, neat campus, and all of you can come back. And we ensure that in a staged way or phased way, you'll be brought back. And also, we'll give chances to those who are far off, who has to travel a lot, to go to a nearest center if needed. Those who are having some corona symptoms, don't come to the campus. Please observe. We'll help you in your attendance, syllabus coverage, marks, etc. And this is the time for us to also announce our admission for the new batches. You don't worry about your jobs. Those who are having a skill and successfully completed NTTF will find a job. So that way you don't worry at all. Only tell your friends and cousins the new admission process, maintain discipline. Thanks to everybody. Thanks to each and every one of your family members. Bye.